What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now this is part 11. Now on this part here, guys, we'll be simplifying the expression or the problem there underneath. You can pause and simplify it and then compare the answers of the one that I'm going to get when we are done. Alright, so before I start, I would like to let you know, guys, that there is a playlist at the end of this video whereby I solve for x, also simplify and also equate the right hand side to the left hand side. Basically, I'll be proving some of the trigonometric functions. So I'll be doing that obviously with trigonometric equations. So if you want to understand them better, click on that playlist and watch those videos in sequence. Okay, now the following problem here, as you can see, we have the cubes for sine and for the cos. So how do we do this one, guys? How do we do this one? For you to do this one, you need to know the following here. There is what you call the sum and the difference of two cubes. There is this method whereby we actually solve maybe x cubed plus or minus. In fact, that is a formula, and then we expand it. When you expand it, it's gonna be x plus or minus y, and then you expand it this side, you square x plus or minus depending on the other side, and then you're gonna have xy, and then it's gonna be plus y squared. So this is a formula for the sum and the difference of two cubes. So guys, you need to know this formula, you need to know this part in order for you to solve the expression there. But really it's not that difficult. We're gonna apply it. Let's do it. So let's start. So first of all, you must have you should write it like this: sine x minus cos x, because it's minus in the middle there from the original. Okay, so from here what you do is you have to expand it. So let's expand it, guys. So it's gonna be, we say sine multiplied by sine, so it's gonna give us sine squared x. And then since this is negative between sine and cos, you're gonna make it positive here. Then you multiply sine with cos, you're gonna have sine x multiplied by cos x. Then the last term is gonna be cos multiplied by cos, you're gonna have positive. Remember the formula on our right, it's gonna be positive cos squared x. All this is gonna be divided by cos x minus sine x. Alright, so we are still fine. So when you look at our denominator and our numerator there, we do have sine x minus cos in a bracket, but our denominator is cos minus sine. So we need to manipulate one there. So we can manipulate, or you can take out the negative sign, and then this is what, or negative 1 by the way. So you're gonna be left with cos x minus sine x, and then from there you can rearrange this one. You can say sine x squared plus cos squared x, and then plus sine x multiplied by cos x, right? And then we divide everything here, divide everything here by our denominator, which is gonna be cos x minus sine x. As you can see, cos minus sine, they give us 1. So they give us 1. So you're gonna be left with minus with what is on the denominator there, which is gonna be minus, then close bracket, sine squared x plus cos squared x plus sine x cos x. Okay, so we know that this one here, guys, this one here, let me just underline, this one here can give us 1. Remember this identity. I'll keep on writing them until you know them by heart, guys, until you know them by heart. If I haven't done it, then I'm gonna write it until you know them like that. Alright, so that identity, it says sine squared plus cos squared is equaling to 1. So you can do that. So we say minus, and then here it's gonna be 1, and then we say plus sine x multiplied by cos x. Alright, so remember this is supposed to be x, guys. I don't know why it looks like it. Remember, we have again another identity. This is a double identity whereby we know that sine 2x is equaling to 2 cos x multiplied by sine x. Okay, so if you can see, we do have sine x multiplied by cos x there. But then how can we change this whereby we have only cos x and sine x? So you can just divide by 2 throughout. So if we divide by 2, this 2 and 2, they give you 1. This side you left with sine half sine 2x, which is the same as sine x multiplied by cos x. As you can see, this one here is the same as that one. So meaning we can change that, guys. We can say this minus 1 plus, we have 2, oh sorry, not 2, half. By the way, this now is equaling to half sine 2x. There we go. And then we multiply by our negative to remove this, the bracket. We have minus 1 minus half sine 2x. That is our final answer, guys. Do not forget that in order for you to solve this, you need to know how to do the sum and the difference of 2 cubes, because without it, this is not gonna be possible. If there is a way though to solve it, I would like to know. You can share on the comment section, mention the way, and we'll really appreciate that. If this video did help you, you can also comment, and if you don't understand, probably you can also comment as well. If you like how I solve it, or you understood, don't be afraid to leave a like. I will really appreciate it. And also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now guys, at the end of this video there is a playlist. Click on that playlist to watch videos in sequence where I solve for x using trigonometric ratios, and also where I prove that the right hand side is the same as the left hand side, the proving part of the trigonometric ratios. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Until next time, cheers.